Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be discussing about how to completely close Roblox on your PS5. This is helpful, but if the game freezes, you want to switch accounts or need to free up system resources, follow the steps. First, you need to go ahead and press the PS button. While in the game, press the PS button on your controller, and this opens the control center at the bottom of the screen. Then highlight the Roblox application and use the joystick to select a Roblox from your list of open apps. Once done, press the Options button and a menu will appear on the right side. Select Close Game and press X to confirm, and Roblox will now close completely and you'll return to the PS5 home screen. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.